Hello everyone. Just wanted to pop in really quickly. We're just about to have dinner, so it's slightly chaos at the moment, but the kids are happy cutting out catalogues. I shared that a little while ago. I love doing that. Catalogue cutting out. Anyway, so corn. I stopped serving it.
Mummy, you realise you already did
Oh, look.
that video?
I know I already did the video, darling, but I did the video for the membership. This kid has the memory like an elephant. Anyway, so corn. I stopped serving it all the time because I'm really lazy and I didn't like husking it. Husking, is that the word? Then I learned the best tip ever. So you get your corn, you throw it in the microwave, just like that. Now one at a time. Throw it in the microwave, 3 minutes. So zap it then really carefully. Grab. Oh, cool. So this one's been in the microwave already. Grab it out with a tea towel. And then, now, this is going to be tricky to balance the phone. All right. So you've got your corn. It's been microwaved for 3 minutes. Then you hold it with a tea towel. Cut the end off. So about there. So you will need a pretty sharp knife. It's not that hard to do. Phone's about to run out of battery. Sorry, guys. Hopefully it'll last. Okay, so you just want to get that bit off. Then the children have been listening to me saying, "Oh my God," which is really bad, and now they've taken over it. So if you can hear that in the background, I apologise. So then grab the top of it.
No, not all of it.
And then you are literally, move back a bit, just, see, it's good to use a little bit of strength, but squeezing the corn out. It looks a little bit graphic, but that's it. It comes out perfectly cooked, no hairs, see? Not a hair. Oh, one hair on the end. It is the best thing ever, seriously. It will change your life. All right, I gotta go and serve these munchkins before chaos begins. Enjoy that tip. And feel free to share it. See you guys.